Don't let the world tell you your own worth. Your destiny was decided from your birth. It's time for the world to see the fire burning inside of me. I'll not let my beauty be judged by society. I am the face of Mumbai. I am the face of Mumbai.
अभी हमारे साथ दिव्या की मम्मी साथ में है, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको आपकी बेटी को इस पढ़ाओ पे देखकर?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। जब भी नाम अनाउंस हुआ उसका, तो मैं शूट कर रही थी तो मेरा हाथ इतना कांपता था कि पूरा मेरा मोबाइल हिलता था। तो मेरे साथ में मेरी नाती ईशा थी, तो हम दोनों हक कर लगे। उनको बहुत ही प्राउड हुआ और मैं तो उसको बोलती थी कि तू जीतेगी, क्योंकि ये बचपन से स्कूल से फर्स्ट नंबर आती थी और सब कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट उसका आता था और सब में वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट लेती थी।
तो आपको जब दिव्या ने पहली बार आके बताया कि वो ऐसा कुछ करने वाली है, क्या सोचा था आपने? मतलब आपको लगा कि जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हमारे सोसाइटी में एक रहता है ना कि लड़की की शादी हो गई, अब उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए, तो आपका उस पर क्या ख्याल था?
मैंने तो उसको बोल दिया था कि तू जीतेगी और तू काम कर, उसमें पीछे मत जा। जब उसने ऑडिशन दिया था पवई में, तो मैंने उसको बोला था कि देख तू आएगी और जीत के ही आएगी। तो आई और मुझे बहुत ही प्राउड हुआ। हमारा फैमिली में कोई ऐसा आगे नहीं आया, ये इतनी आगे आ गई।
So now we have some beautiful ladies in the house, some very good friends of Divya. So as women, as mothers, do you think that if you have daughters, do you think your daughters would be pursuing something like this in future? Like something like Face of Mumbai?
Provided she wants. I have 2 daughters, so I have never forced them on anything. You have to do something like this or that. But if they want to, surely why not? We'll always be there. Like just the way her family stood by her, her husband, her kids, they all supported her so much. So why not? I mean, there's nothing like we cannot
Hats
do.
off to her family, Kiran, and the kids. They stood by her, and like anything they were available for you. Go ahead, you'll be there. I have seen that journey. I have seen her, how she used to come home with her singing, going on side by side, and she's managed everything.
At a point she was scared that I'll not be able to. So we were there to push her. No, whatever you have started, you have to finish it at least. And she did it, and it was a great feeling when it really makes you feel proud. One of our friends, she's achieved something so nice and so great.
So today we have here a huge fan club of Divya. So we have some lovely friends out here. So सबसे पहले मैं आप सबसे बताइए कि कैसा लग रहा है आपकी दोस्त को यहाँ देख के?
बहुत खुश हैं। दिव्या ने जो काम हासिल किया है बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है। वंडरफुल फीलिंग है।
तो आप लोगों ने इसकी जर्नी देखी थी, कैसे सीख रही थी ड्यूरिंग द ग्रूमिंग सेशन? उसने आपने से किसी से बात किया था कि कितना डिफिकल्ट है ये सब?
हम उसको बिल्डिंग के खिड़की में से देखा करते थे किस तरह से वो स्ट्रगल करती थी, इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करती थी और परस्यू करती थी कि मुझे ये गोल हासिल ही करना है।
खिड़की से? तो आप खिड़की वाले फैन हैं? तो खिड़की से आपने उनका कैटवॉक भी देखा?
कैटवॉक नहीं देखा, बट द वे शी यूज्ड टू रन प्रैक्टिस फिटनेस के लिए, या द वे शी यूज्ड टू टॉक ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, हमने देखा है उसका जर्नी कैसे डेली वो इम्प्रूव करती रही करता है। इट्स मोटिवेशन फॉर एंटायर फ्रेंड्स कम्युनिटी, सोसाइटी एट लार्ज, एवरीबॉडी।
तो आप लोगों को ब्यूटी पेजेंट के बारे में कैसा लग रहा है? ब्यूटी पेजेंट का सोच के आप लोगों ने सिर्फ टीवी पे देखा होगा, आज आपकी खुद की फ्रेंड इस मुकाम पे पहुंची है, तो आपका माइंडसेट थोड़ा चेंज हुआ या कुछ?
एक चीज हम दिव्या के शो से ही है। डे वन से हमें तो वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई है, लेकिन लुकिंग वेयर दिव्या वाज लाइक हमें हाउसवाइफ टू दिस पर्टिकुलर मुकाम, इट इज अमेजिंग। her for all efforts taken by her.
तो जब आप लोग को इसने उन्हें पहली बार बताया कि वो ऐसा कुछ कर रही है, आप लोग हंसे थे कि आप लोग का रिएक्शन क्या था एज अ फ्रेंड?
हमको पता था कि she is very much actually confident, कम confident है उसको सारी चीजों में. She is a multi-talented. She is a good housewife, and now the great news. She is actually wonderful.
But that's so you are saying very goody things. But what was your real as a friend? You know, अरे ये catwalk करेंगे अभी, so वो kind of reaction.
नहीं, but आप अगर देखो ना, if you see her musical journey also, from nowhere she started learning and she reached a point wherein she's giving stage performances and people know that. It's amazing. So probably first reason, I think for all of us, Divya can do it, and she's done it. So amazing.
Divya is perfectionist. So whatever she chooses to do, she will go on. She will put all efforts and get it right. So about this competition also, we knew that when she is entering the competition, then yes, she is going to put a lot of efforts and do her best. That's what she said.
तो अभी ब्यूटी पेजेंट के बारे में आपके सबके राय बहुत अच्छे हैं. It's a good place to be.
Yes. In fact, we suggested her not to contest in Mrs. category but in Miss category.
We were disappointed when she opted for Mrs. category. You always thought you meant for Miss category.
That was a bit shocking and surprising, but otherwise we knew she should have won that title also.
So next, I think all of your wives we can expect in the season 6.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Wow. Okay. Divya, you know you must remember that we are getting 6 to 7 contestants from your side.
Yeah, but
Okay?
they won't be competitors. She would be a mentor to save herself.
You do know your wives are hearing this, huh?
Saying because her wife is not here.
So my wife is not here right now.
This will be on the YouTube for her to watch.
I'll forward the link.
But not many people know her real name is Chikitsa.
Oh.
If you know, Chikitsa is basically care, healing,
Yes.
and whenever she comes to the groups, she talks to friends, she understands the difficulties. Despite having family challenges, Kiran is supporting her, healing mother-in-law. You know many of the stories because her son Yash, her son Prem and my son Yash were childhood friends. So we know what was her struggle, and over a period of time, you know, any competition she used to entertain, she used to engage, she used to encourage children to participate, come first. So we are proud of her.
So this is actually the first time that I think we have seen so many men coming forward supporting women empowerment. He spoke to her husband, he spoke to her son. So I think the entire this community we need a clap. Please clap for the So today we have season 5 Face of Mumbai Mrs. Second Runner-up Divya Thakkar. और दिव्या के साथ उनकी आज पूरी फैमिली यहाँ है फॉर द होम कमिंग वीडियो. सो सबसे पहले हम उनके हस्बैंड को पूछेंगे, सर आपको कैसा लग रहा है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिव्या को ऐसे स्टेज पे देख के क्राउनिंग के वक्त कैसा लगा आपको?
आई एम रियली प्राउड. आई कैंट एक्सप्रेस माय सेल्फ कि मेरे को कैसा लगा, लेकिन मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा कि एक्चुअली आई कैन एक्सप्रेस दैट. और जैसे अनाउंस हुआ मैंने जोर से चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. अभी वो शुरू सब देख रहे थे क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ इट.
So now we have Prem, Divya's firstborn. So Prem, how was your experience?
It was amazing, like it was unbelievable to be very honest. At the moment her name got called out when she was the second runner-up, I did know that I did have confidence in her. She did, maybe she doubted herself as well, but I knew that she had that capability. She sings so well, and I knew that she would perform well and she would get something out of it. And when her name was called out, to be very honest, I had a tear in my eye because life comes at a full circle, you know. When I was a kid, when I participated in a lot of competition, she was there, she was cheering me up, she saw me achieve a lot of things, and to see her achieve something this big was really, really unbelievable and amazing.